Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the number system, chapter 1st, NCERT, class 9th. Okay. So in the number systems, as we have been studying nursery onwards, even if I would say that about numbers. Okay. So here today I am going to conclude whatever types of numbers which you have studied and which are required for the purpose of class 9th and using in exercise problems. Okay. So basically we start the natural number, and I hope everybody is familiar with this natural number. So natural numbers are those numbers which are what? Coming in counting. That is, counting numbers are called natural numbers. Okay. So all the counting numbers are natural number, and it is denoted by the first letter of this word, because natural starts with n. So we'll be taking n. So denoted by the letter n, and the values of n will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called natural numbers. Okay. Similarly, in the queue of this, the next number which comes whole number. Whole numbers are those, that is all the natural numbers including 0. If we consider 0 also, then it becomes whole number, right? So this whole number is a set of numbers denoted by the capital W, that is first letter of this word whole number, and the values for the set of W is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? So this is the set of whole numbers. So are you noticing down something, that all these natural numbers are coming here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in fact we have one extra number, that is 0. So it means we can conclude all the natural numbers are also whole numbers. So this may be asked in one mark, are all the natural numbers whole numbers or not? So you will say yes, all the natural numbers are also whole numbers, but the converse need not be true. It means all the whole numbers are not the natural numbers. In fact, we can say some of the whole numbers are also natural numbers. Alright, so note down this fact. Next one is integers. Integer are what? It is denoted by I, first letter I, but in higher classes, that is class 11th onwards, we will be using the letter Z. So I think there is no problem if we learn to remember that I or Z indicating what towards integer. Okay, so you may take any letter I or Z. So in your books or reference book, Z may be there, or in NCERT I or Z may be given. Okay, sometimes I, sometimes Z. So let's write the series of integers. -3. Actually, this starts from infinity, so we can use what, the dot symbol, and this dot symbol tells us that numbers are being written continued. It has been coming, okay, from -infinity. So I have listed some of the numbers: -3, -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next number, yeah, 5, and so on up to. This is a symbol. Maybe you have studied or not. Okay, I write. It looks 8, which is rotated at 90-degree angles. This is actually not 8. It seems to be like 8, but this is not 8. You have to rotate this 8 at the certain angle. Okay, that is like this. So this symbol having meaning infinity or infinite. Okay, we can say infinity or infinite number. So this is the set of integers. Now we can classify, as we see, there are some positive numbers coming, some negative numbers coming. So on the basis of their symbols, from 1 onwards, this is what taken as I plus. I plus means set of positive integers. Okay. So if we talk about write the list of positive integers, so then we have to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Similarly, look at the numbers, natural numbers coming with negative sign can be categorized as I minus. I minus means negative integers. So if somebody asks list the negative integers, so you will start writing from -1, -2, -3 and so on up to minus infinity. Okay students, now you might think that we have escaped or missed one number, that is 0. Yeah, because 0 is neither coming in the queue of positive, in the series of positive integers, as well as for negative integers. So 0 is what? It is noted that 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. It is what? Whole number, as we already studied. You can say whole number, or it is integer only. Whole number or integer we can say. Okay. So next number is rational number. I am sure you must have studied about rational number in your previous class, being 7th or 8th, right? So rational numbers are what? Try to recall. The number which can be expressed as p by q form, that is in fraction forms. Okay, but there is a difference in fraction of this p by q. In fraction we use only natural numbers or positive integers. Okay, but in this p by q form, where p and q are integers, right? But it is noted that q should not be equals to 0, because 0 is also an integer. We have just seen here. Okay, so this q, that is denominator, should not be 0, because if it can be 0, then what happens? You will see. You can check your own. If 1 divided by 0 or any number, right, except 0, any number or constant you take and you divide it by 0, okay, then you what get? Nothing. That is, does not exist, or you will get non-defined number, that is, you can say infinity. Okay, so if you do so like 1 by 0 or 2 by 0 or any numbers, then you will get what? Infinity. Infinity means this kind of division does not exist. So that's why we always avoid taking 0 in denominator for any numbers. Okay, numbers means rational numbers. Alright, so let I write some examples. 1 by 2 is the rational number. Why? Because this is in the form of p by q, right? Where p is what? 1, q is 2, and p or q are what? Integers. Integers what? We have just seen. Okay, look at again. A set of integers I have written here. All the negative natural numbers. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4 natural numbers, positive symbol, and including 0. All are what? The set of integers. Right? Same as another example. Next question is 3. Is 3 a rational number or not? So to check it, express in the form of fraction, that is p by q form. Since we can write this 3 as 3 by 1, it doesn't make any effect. 3 equals to 3 by 1. So this is p by q form. So hence this is what? Rational number. Okay. Similarly, one more example. If I ask minus 2. Minus 2 is what? It is negative integers. Yeah, you are right. But it is rational 2. Because we can write minus 2 equals to minus 2 upon 1. And the result is coming same. Both are equal. Okay. So this is what? Integer. And now this integer is written as in the p by q form. So this becomes what? Rational number. So students, we can conclude one point. Maybe you have observed. Minus 2 is what? Integer. 3 is what? Integer. Okay, which I have taken here. 3 is also integer. This is integer. It means integer can be expressed as p by q form. So all the integers are what? All the integers are what? Rational number. Alright, so all the integers are assumed to be as rational number. Further, the numbers which are not rational or which cannot be expressed as p by q form are known as irrational numbers. So today you will make a list of these numbers and memorize the types of numbers which you have studied. Okay, and make a list and revise this. The next video we will be discussing some more types of numbers. Okay, thank you very much.